Seniors, here's the truth. Magnesium supplements are not the secret to rebuilding muscle after 60. In fact, relying on them might be slowing you down. Instead, science shows there are two simple vitamins you can take before bed that work while you sleep to restore strength, fight muscle loss, and keep your body powerful overnight. Don't miss this. Let's delve into the profound impact of vitamin D3 supplements on your nighttime muscle regeneration. When you incorporate vitamin D3 into your evening routine, something extraordinary unfolds within your body as you sleep. Your vitamin D levels actively engage specialized receptors found in your muscle cells, known as VDRs. These crucial receptors act as messengers, prompting your muscles to absorb more calcium and phosphorus from the foods you consumed throughout the day. These essential minerals are not merely good for bones. They are absolutely vital for your muscle fibers to contract efficiently and grow increasingly stronger. Beyond this mineral uptake, taking vitamin D at night also signals your body to boost its testosterone production during sleep, which is particularly important for seniors. Testosterone then plays a key role in helping your muscles utilize the protein you've eaten to construct brand new muscle tissue overnight. Without sufficient vitamin D, this intricate nighttime repair process can slow down dramatically, potentially by as much as 60%. Furthermore, vitamin D also works to calm inflammation within your muscle tissues while you rest. This reduction in inflammation allows your muscles to bounce back quicker from exercise, and crucially, it helps to counteract the natural muscle breakdown that tends to accompany aging. Many vitamin D3 supplements offer a potent dose, often ranging from 2,000 to 4,000 international units, IU, per capsule, which can be nearly 10 times what most seniors naturally obtain from sunlight exposure alone. Recent compelling research from Harvard, which observed 400 seniors with low vitamin D levels over 8 months, revealed fascinating results. Those participants who took daily vitamin D3 supplements experienced an average gain of 2.8 pounds of muscle mass, a stark contrast to the mere 0.4 pounds gained by the control group. Historically, even ancient Viking warriors understood the importance of something akin to vitamin D, consuming cod liver oil during long dark winters to maintain their formidable strength when sunlight was scarce. To easily incorporate vitamin D3, consider taking 2,000 to 4,000 IU with your evening meal, ensuring that your meal includes healthy fats, as these aid in absorption. Alternatively, you can naturally boost your vitamin D intake through certain foods. Imagine grilling a 4-ounce serving of salmon with some fresh herbs. This single piece of fish can provide more vitamin D than many people get in an entire week. Pair this with roasted mushrooms cooked until they are perfectly crispy, and serve alongside mashed sweet potatoes enriched with grass-fed butter for maximum vitamin D absorption. For an additional boost, you might even discreetly blend cod liver oil into your homemade salad dressing. You won't taste it, but your muscles will certainly reap the benefits all night long. Conclude your evening with a glass of fortified milk before bed, and this thoughtfully prepared dinner will deliver over 500 IU of vitamin D combined with healthy fats, precisely what your body craves for optimal overnight muscle building. While some supplements should be completely avoided by seniors striving to build muscle, which we'll discuss later, for the most profound muscle growth benefits, vitamin D supplements are best taken in conjunction with our next powerful ally, zinc. You see, merely taking vitamin D without this complementary nutrient might still leave you short of your muscle building goals. This is because zinc works in remarkable synergy with vitamin D to amplify your muscle growth potential. During your most restorative deep sleep phases, your body naturally produces vital growth hormones. However, here's a crucial piece of information often overlooked. These very hormones, essential for muscle building, depend on zinc to function correctly. Zinc is an extraordinary mineral, directly regulating over 300 enzymes that are tirelessly working to rebuild muscle tissue throughout the night. When your zinc levels are ideal, these essential enzymes remain active for a solid 6 to 8 hours. Yet if you are zinc deficient, a condition that surprisingly affects 40% of seniors worldwide, your muscle repair process can decelerate by as much as 60% while you sleep. Beyond its enzymatic role, zinc also facilitates the transportation of amino acids directly into your muscle cells during sleep, where they are then meticulously assembled into new muscle fibers. This explains why seniors with adequate zinc levels often wake up feeling less sore and more thoroughly recovered, while those who are deficient frequently report prolonged muscle aches and slower healing. Zinc supplements typically provide a robust 15 to 30 milligrams of readily absorbable zinc per capsule, potentially up to 300% more than most seniors obtain from their diet alone. The widespread prevalence of zinc deficiency, impacting over 40% of older adults globally, is truly shocking, especially since many doctors don't routinely test for it. Low zinc levels can hinder wound healing, diminish testosterone production, and obstruct your muscles' ability to properly use the protein you consume. This often clarifies why some seniors can eat plenty of protein, yet still struggle to build muscle. They're simply lacking this critical mineral. A pioneering study conducted at the University of Michigan followed 120 zinc-deficient seniors for 12 weeks. Those who consistently took 20 milligrams of zinc daily experienced a remarkable 34% increase in muscle protein synthesis and demonstrated a 40% faster recovery from exercise. The researchers discovered that zinc effectively turns on the genetic switches that instruct your muscles to grow stronger and repair at an accelerated rate. Historical records even show that ancient Egyptian physicians, over 4,000 years ago, utilized zinc-rich remedies to mend warriors' wounds and restore their fighting prowess. To optimize zinc absorption, it's best to take your supplement with a full glass of water, approximately 2 hours before bedtime. However, it's vital to remember that even with these powerful supplements, their benefits can be entirely negated if you pair them with certain other supplements, the last of which is incredibly common and might surprise you. Indeed, some combinations could even be detrimental to your body. It's often disheartening to realize that many seniors are unknowingly hindering their own muscle-building journey by taking certain vitamins at night. After reviewing numerous nutritional studies, treating countless patients suffering from muscle loss, and consulting with leading experts in muscle preservation, we've identified 3 specific vitamins that seniors must rigorously avoid, particularly in the evening. The first, and perhaps most surprising supplement you should never take at night if your goal is to build or preserve muscle, is a B-complex vitamin. Initially, this might seem counterintuitive, as B vitamins are frequently praised by doctors and nutritionists for their role in energy production, nerve health, and metabolism. Many older adults take them daily, genuinely believing they are combating fatigue and boosting their overall vitality. However, here lies the critical, often hidden truth. When you take B-complex vitamins at the wrong time, specifically in the evening, you are inadvertently working against your muscle-building objectives. B-complex vitamins contain a synergistic blend of powerful nutrients, including B6, B12, niacin, and riboflavin, all of which are known to stimulate the nervous system. They can gently accelerate your metabolism, subtly increase your heart rate, and enhance alertness. While these effects are beneficial in the morning or early afternoon, providing your body with the energy needed to stay active, this artificial energy boost becomes entirely counterproductive at night. Remember, muscles aren't solely built through exercise or diet. Their significant growth and repair happen during profound restorative sleep. This is the sacred window when your body releases vital growth hormone, diligently repairs damaged muscle fibers, and converts dietary protein into new, lean tissue. But if your nervous system remains stimulated from a late-day B-complex dose, you won't achieve enough slow-wave sleep, the critical phase absolutely essential for muscle recovery. A revealing 2019 review published in Sleep Medicine specifically examined how late-evening B vitamin consumption affected older adults. The findings were striking. Seniors who took B-complex in the evening experienced a significant reduction in melatonin production, a delayed onset of deep sleep, and substantially fewer minutes of restorative slow-wave cycles. In essence, their bodies missed the crucial time frame when muscle growth and repair are most active. Moreover, elevated B vitamin stimulation at night can also trigger a spike in cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. Cortisol not only disrupts sleep by keeping you awake, but also actively breaks down muscle proteins for energy. For seniors already contending with sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, this can unfortunately accelerate weakness, frailty, and a decline in independence. Consider Margaret, an 87-year-old patient who approached me in utter frustration. She was exercising faithfully 3 times a week, dutifully consuming her bone broth and protein shakes, yet instead of gaining muscle, she continued to lose strength. Upon closer examination, the culprit was revealed. She was taking her B-complex supplement immediately after dinner. Within just 1 week of switching it to her morning routine, she reported significantly improved sleep. Within 3 weeks, she had regained 2 pounds of lean muscle and felt stronger than she had in years. The lesson is straightforward yet profound. If you truly desire for your body to build muscle, you must grant it the uninterrupted opportunity to recover. This means strictly no B-complex after the late afternoon. Take it with breakfast to fuel your day, and allow your nights to be dedicated to deep, restorative repair. The second crucial vitamin you should never take at night is vitamin C. While vitamin C is often lauded as a miracle nutrient, cherished for its contributions to immunity, skin health, and healing, its importance in muscle building and preservation is intricately linked to timing. Consuming vitamin C at night, particularly close to bedtime, can subtly undermine your body's innate repair cycles. The reason lies in vitamin C's powerful antioxidant properties. While antioxidants are generally beneficial, at night, your muscles actually require a moderate amount of oxidative stress to initiate and propel their recovery process. This mild stress serves as a crucial signal, prompting your body to release growth hormone, activate essential repair pathways, and rebuild muscle fibers that were challenged during the day. However, when you inundate your system with vitamin C at the wrong time, you effectively dampen this signal, potentially halting muscle protein synthesis precisely when it should be at its peak. Research involving older adults indicates that a high intake of antioxidants before bed can diminish the body's ability to activate mTOR signaling, a pivotal pathway that muscles employ to absorb amino acids and grow stronger. Simply put, your muscles don't receive the vital message to repair themselves. To further complicate matters, vitamin C also possesses a mildly stimulating effect. If the recommendations regarding B-complex and vitamin C surprised you, prepare yourself for an even more startling revelation concerning the third supplement you absolutely must avoid at night for muscle growth: caffeine. Many seniors typically associate caffeine with their morning coffee or tea, unaware that it subtly infiltrates various other products, including certain supplements, pre-workout powders, and even some energy-boosting multivitamins. While a modest amount of caffeine in the early hours of the day can offer benefits like enhanced focus and improved circulation, consuming it in the evening is one of the quickest ways to undermine your muscle recovery efforts. Here's precisely why. Caffeine is a powerful stimulant for your central nervous system and simultaneously elevates cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. While this might provide a temporary surge of energy, its impact at night comes with a significant cost. Elevated cortisol directly impedes muscle protein synthesis, which is the intricate process your body uses to transform dietary protein and collagen into new muscle fibers. Even more critically, caffeine blocks adenosine receptors in your brain, which are the very system responsible for signaling to your body that it's time to rest and sleep. Without proper adenosine signaling, you will struggle to fall asleep, and even if you eventually drift off, your deep sleep cycles, which are vital, will be severely curtailed. This presents a considerable challenge for seniors, as deep sleep is precisely when growth hormone levels peak and essential muscle repair truly takes place. A compelling 2020 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience followed 160 older adults over 10 weeks. Remarkably, those who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more lean muscle mass compared to caffeine-free seniors, even when both groups consumed identical amounts of protein. The researchers unequivocally concluded that the disrupted sleep caused by caffeine led to a reduction in growth hormone release, which directly resulted in weaker muscles. I vividly recall my experience with Gloria, an 81-year-old retired nurse who came to me feeling utterly frustrated. She was diligently drinking her evening collagen broth and exercising 3 times a week, yet she observed no significant muscle gains. Upon reviewing her daily routine, we uncovered that she was also taking a nighttime fat burner supplement that discreetly contained 150 milligrams of hidden caffeine. Once she eliminated this supplement, Her sleep quality improved dramatically. Within a month, she reported feeling noticeably stronger, and her hand grip strength test improved by an impressive 19%. So here's the unvarnished truth. Caffeine itself isn't inherently bad, but its timing is absolutely paramount. If you want your collagen and protein intake to genuinely contribute to rebuilding muscle, confine all caffeine consumption strictly to the morning hours. This means no coffee, no tea, and definitively no caffeinated supplements after lunchtime.